all the fishes just vroom, and I was like, oh, that's weird. And I'm like out pretty far as well, like this. It was basically like this. You see all the fishes just fly away, and I'm like, all right, strange. Guess fishes do that. No, they don't. In out of nowhere comes a giant fish with teeth sticking out, like in my peripheral.
Pour certaines catégories, l'alimentaire, l'hygiène, pardon, ces commerçants continuent à fonctionner. En troisième lieu, pour ceux qui sont...
I sat on the couch and my dog was barking at something serious. I just got up and walked to the door and I saw it.
Oh my God. Hey! Oh. Oh my God. What? No. What?
I'm in the ghetto. Ratatata. Ratatata.
My mango. Skip it up.
That's adorable. What the? Ginger, no!
You mean everyone's using them?
Look, I'm not exaggerating when I say the success of your mission hinges on how you use that cardboard box.
Huh.
Dá aumento uma caixa. Uma caixa andando, por favor. Por favor.
All I need is something to spear the Ice King with. Binoculars, toothbrush, water bottle, rope, sweater, trail mix, my flute.
Come on, England! You tell us something your mum doesn't know. Yeah. It's gonna take a lot more than potatoes to bring this baby down! Oh, maybe not.
I'm Coyote Peterson, and I'm about to take on the Bullet Ant Challenge. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh!
You alright?
Oh my god, it is really bad! Oh!
You alright, man?
Yep! Oh, it's burning more! It's getting worse!
L, 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 L
some rap names for ourselves.
Okay.
What would your rap names be?
How about J-Lo Dre? How about that great idea?
I like that one.
Yeah.
That's very good. Will, what would yours be?
Mine would be Big Chungus.
All right.
I'm speaking to you at what I know.
Don't care, wrap it up.
You can use these painful-looking neuromods to give yourself alien powers, one of which lets you turn yourself into a pickle, roll through a gap in a door, and then turn back into a human on the other side.
You have a front headlight out.
Oh my God.
Just stay in the car for right now. Did you know it was out?
No, I didn't.
Okay. Yeah, you see your one over there is out.
I don't need this. I can't afford that.
I'm not gonna give you a ticket or anything like that.
The thing about it is I just got this car sorted. I'm trying to see if it runs.
All right, why don't you just sit in your car? I'll be with you in a minute, all right, sir?
$35,
37. What's that?
Yeah.
I mean, there you go.
Copy.